Most people stay average. Not because they lack talent, not because they're incapable, but because they never take the first step. They sit around waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation. And while they wait, time slips away. Meanwhile, the ones who rise, they take small steps every single day. And before anyone realizes it, they've turned themselves into something unstoppable. Transformation isn't magic. It's not some overnight success story. It's a grind, a process, and it starts with a simple decision. You either stay the same, or you start moving forward. Most people fail because they think change has to be drastic. They want instant results. But that's not how it works. The strongest, most disciplined people you see, they built themselves step by step. Not in weeks, not in months, but over years. It's about stacking small wins, training when you don't feel like it, reading when your mind wants to shut off, working when others are resting. Every little action compounds. And one day, you wake up, look in the mirror, and realize you're not the same person anymore. You've leveled up. But here's the thing. Most won't do it. They'll make excuses. They'll tell themselves it's too late, too hard. But if you have even the slightest fire in you to be more, you already have what it takes. All you need to do is start, and keep going. Because the difference between ordinary and extraordinary, it's not luck, it's not talent, it's commitment. So stop hesitating, stop overthinking, start now, step by step. And before you know it, you won't even recognize the old version of yourself. Be elite. Stay elite.